think you will also be very happy, no? How many of you are happy? Yeah, very good. Then give me a high five. Yeah, super, super, super. Very good, very good. Yeah. Now with us, our Muralidharan uncle is with us. He's going to fill us with colors. Okay, are you happy with that? How many of you are ready with paper, crayons or oil pastels? Yeah, very good. Super, super, super. Okay, I'm not going to waste my time here because you are going to have lots of fun with colors. So I'm going to hand over the session to uncle. Okay, okay, are you ready? Eh? So I'm going to teach you one mantra. Will you follow me? Okay, if I ask you, are you ready? You have to say, roll your hands and say like this. Okay, what is the mantra I'm going to teach? I'm going to ask you, are you ready? What will you say? Oh, yes. Okay, I should hear you. Okay, okay. Oh, yes. Super. For some of you are following.
Oh, yes.
Very good.
Oh,
Good. So whenever I ask this one, what you have to say? Whenever I start the yeah, you have to say, shall we say again? I will start the mantra, you have to finish it. Okay. Are you ready?
yes.
Hey, what you have to say?
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
Once again, I will say, then uncle will take over. Okay. Are you ready?
Oh, yes.
Super, super. This will continue for next section also. Okay. Now uncle will continue. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Glory. So, ready? Let's get started. Hope you are all ready with your oil pastels. Those who doesn't have oil pastels, you can try with your crayons also, but we prefer oil pastels. Okay. So I'm going to tell you what the setup I have. So we are going to make use of. I have this one. Okay, so this is my A4 sheet ready, and there is a masking tape around this. The paper is strongly. The paper doesn't move. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so if you have not fixed your paper, go on, fix it with masking tape if you have. So that is better. Do you have any questions? Be ready with all the colors.
I don't have masking tape.
Okay. So try your best. You have to hold your paper when you smudge it. Okay, so you have to hold your paper. That is the one thing you have to do.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to show you.
Uncle, can you wait?
Yeah, I'll wait. So before that, so this is my paper and I'm going to draw the boundaries so that you can see my paper well. Yes, you don't have to do it. Okay, this is my sheet. Try to see. I did this so that I can fit it in the camera properly. So I'm able to fit it properly in the camera. So now today we are going to draw a colorful ladybug. Okay, that's going to be very colorful. Okay, and get me a sheet. So I'm going to draw here. Before that, so I'll roughly draw and show you. So, so I'm going to roughly draw and show you what is that we are going to draw. Um, Okay, so this you don't have to draw, simply observe this so that you are clear about what we are going to draw. Okay, so here is going to be the center of the flower, which is going to be in yellow in color, and this color, this will have petals like this. Okay, a simple petals, and our ladybug is going to be on, so it's quite simple shape for the ladybug. So this is what I'm going to draw, and this is a head of the ladybug, and mostly this is going to be dark, and this um, stands like this. So this is what we are going to draw. This is what we are going to draw. There is a beautiful colorful ladybug, and there is a nice green, dark green, then there is a violet also. Such a background we are going to work on, and this is going to be mostly orange and red, and this is going to be yellow, right? And the petals are, it's kind of a daisy flower where the petals are bright. It's going to be almost white, little bit of gray we will be applying. So this is what we are going to draw. Okay, so now we are going to make the real drawing. So take your time and draw. You don't have to hurry. So I am going to use my, so I'm using my pencil right away, right now. So look at this, how big. I'm just drawing this one. I just, it's quite light. Um, so it's like a triangle, and there is a, I'm drawing like this. Okay, this is going to be the middle of the flower. Okay, and and here, and it's going to be simple like this. These petals, right? So this side, I'm going to draw a line here, a line here. So you can just start drawing this. So maybe now you can observe me drawing this, the ladybug. It's a simple, this is another oval shape, oval kind of shape. That's it. So take your time. This is what you are supposed to draw. Then rest all the things are going to be quite easy. Okay, so the head of this, so I'm just drew a line here, and going to make the head of this bug like this. The legs and all we'll draw later. First, we need to fill the colors. So take your time, draw this, then we'll fill the rest of the things.
Okay.
So while you are drawing, so I'll introduce myself. So I am Muralidharan Alagar. I have joined from 12A in Block 2. Okay. And so I was an engineer working in software for 12 years, so for 20 years. Then after that, some companies I was consulting in art. So right now I am taking art classes. So I am running a group called Chennai Weekend Artist. So every Sunday we meet. Since last 8 years, it's free, and every Sunday anyone can join, and we make artwork for the past 8 years. So these things I do. Okay, just draw this. So very happy to see you all. A lot of people, and you all quite happily joined today. So we'll make it more colorful. So in the middle of the flower, it's going to be uh, yellow and orange. So you can tell if you have finished it. But you need to. Okay, very
Finished, uncle.
okay, very good. So see this size. This has to be bigger. Then it will be more beautiful. So you have to take good care of this basic shapes. Then we get beautiful results. Okay. So first, well, let's fill this middle of the flower. I am going to use this yellow. So let me take all the kinds of yellow I have. I have this yellow and I have this yellow. Okay, one is light and one is little dark. So I'm going to use this darker one. I'm going to use this darker one. So I'm going to fill this slowly. I'm filling this. Simple. Just start filling this. So this is like we are setting up the base color. So in oil pastels, so you just fill this. After filling this, you have to blend this. Okay, so still you see some paper spaces and paper white. And maybe I'll add little bit of, this is orange, little bit of orange. So I'm going to apply here little bit of orange in the bottom. Little bit of orange I'm applying. So that's all I have done. Just do this. Then,
Uncle, actually, is it okay if I use soft pastels?
yeah, you can use. But those techniques are a little different. So dry, their soft pastels are dry. They're different. But you can use it actually. Go on, use it. So I'll tell you, while there is a shining highlight we are going to do for the ladybug. So for that, the technique for the soft pastel is going to be different. I'll tell when we do that. So little bit of orange apply like this. Then you can use either the earbud or tissue paper. When you are using earbud, just take the earbud and just do this and make it very smooth, clean. And this is going to fill this very uniformly. Does not do, then add more of yellow. So it fill with rich colors and do it. So there is another way of doing this is using your tissue paper. That tissue paper we are going to use it for the larger background. But you can use here also. But for the precision, so if you use earbud, you can fill it precisely within this space. So the orange, whatever you applied, that's going to blend with the yellow and it's going to look like this. So I blend till this is very uniform and I do not see the paper white. Okay, I don't see the paper white. Now it is cool and uniform. So further, I'll be ready with the orange. Then I'll take my brown. So you'll have a dark brown and light brown. So anything you can use any. dark brown or light brown. So with the orange, I'm going to make some dots like this. Okay, with the orange in the bottom, I'm making some dots like this. Okay, and then with the dark brown, I make only few dots. The dark brown, or you can use light brown also. Doesn't matter. You can use few dots. Okay, so with this I'm done with this middle part of the flower. Next thing we are going to work on this colorful ladybug. We'll wait for you to finish this one. Okay, then for the ladybug to start with, the oil pastel, one of the character in oil pastel, the first color you apply to the paper, that sticks to the paper very well. Okay, so you can apply colors over that and you can scrap them away to reveal the colors in the bottom. So I'm going to have some shining for the ladybug. For that I need white, right? For the shining. So I'm going to apply, you will not see this, but I'm taking this white pastel, white oil pastel and doing it. But with this dry pastel, soft pastel, you don't have to do it. This is only with for the oil pastel. I just applied some white here. Okay, and some white here. So you won't see it, but you have to observe what I do. I apply some white here and some white here, right? And here I'm just, so these pieces at the end I'm going to make some highlights. So for that I'm making this white. And in the head also I'm making applying white. So this is an important thing. So I made some white here, here, and the head and the body, two places I made, here and here. Just applied some white, okay? So this is going to be the important technique in oil pastels. Okay, and the back also I'm just drawing a line like this in the back. So later we will apply orange and red over this. Then I'll be doing some scrapping to reveal this white. Okay. So this demonstration I'm recording. I'll make it available to you even after that. So you can play this and you can check it. If you want to do it again, you can do it. Okay, so this is the important step we have done. And I'm taking orange. So nicely, I'm going to fill orange for this body of this ladybug. Just filling this orange throughout, slowly, carefully, within the shape of this ladybug. Those using the soft pastel, you can directly fill with orange. Then for the highlight, you can touch white at the end. So try your best to fill within the line. Okay, I just tried my best. So I'm going to use this earbud again. Slowly, I'm blending it. So when I use this earbud, this paper white disappears, and nicely the orange color spreads nicely. Okay, this is nice. Nicely I filled. Okay, and so I'm going to add some depth to this. So this is my red. Okay, so the orange which I used now I'm going to use the red. The red is darker, little darker than the orange. So I'm applying this red in the front, little bit in the front. Then drawing a line like this. Then applying this red in the back, little bit in the back. That is all. Okay, so applied little bit in the front and little bit in the back. Maybe a line like this. So I can leave it like this, or if you want, you can take that your earbud and you can make it soft. You can blend it, or you can leave it like that. Actually, it doesn't matter. I mean, maybe you can apply the earbud so that it is more smooth and soft. That's how it looks actually. The ladybug. It's okay. We are done with the body of this ladybug, and then head we need to do. Then this highlight. So first I applied the white. So I'm going to review that. So I'll wait for a couple of one or 2 minutes for you to complete this. So I'm hearing a lot of noise, and I'm going to mute all. So those who want to talk, you can unmute and talk. Do not hesitate. You can talk and ask your questions. So I'm recording this and will be sharing this video of this demonstration. Okay, now it's a time to, so I applied white first, correct? So you can use any scrapping tool, so which comes with oil pastels or crayons. So you will have something like this, right? So it comes in with different shapes, but my favorite thing is this butter spoon, which I found in the kitchen. So this I'm going to use it. The white I applied, that white part I'm going to remove it now. See, remove the orange, then the white appears because I applied white first. So let me do that and see, show you. See, so this I've removed it. So here also let me do. This you can do only if you apply white in the beginning. So little bit let me do here also. I applied some white here also, and so I'm going to do some here also. So that is all. So that's all. Again, you can use the earbud. If it is very sharp, you can use the earbud and just in the boundaries you can apply, and that nicely blends. Little bit softly I'm applying, not pressing hard. Softly I'm applying. So this becomes little more softer. That is what I want. Okay, done. And those using soft pastels, you can apply your white directly here actually. Okay, so remember I applied little bit of white for the head also, because for the eye there is going to be a bit of highlight. So I applied some white here. Now on top, I'm going to apply black. I'm going to apply black. Either you can apply black using oil pastels, or you need to have there is a darker pencil I have, which is an 8B pencil or 10B pencil or EE pencil. There are darker pencils available. You can have these darker pencils to make it black. Either you can use oil pastels, or so the advantage with this is quite sharp, and you can make precise clear lines. But I'm going to start with these oil pastels, and I just apply it for the head. But since this is being bigger, so I will not be able to apply correctly. So I just apply only this. Then I'm going to need the help of this darker pencil. Okay. So using this pencil, I'm going to complete and make it precise and sharp. So I thought of doing this later, but somehow it's okay. So this I have done, and so I'm going to draw a line in the bottom, not in the top, making it darker. Then also, so now we have to draw these legs, and so I'll draw antennas later. So after filling the background, then I'll draw these antennas. But otherwise, this I can go on fill. I can make the legs. So making legs is quite easy. You have to see. Maybe I'll wait for you to complete this black thing. So for the head, you can do it, and also, so in the body also you can do. Can make this kind of pentagon or square kind of shapes. So making one here. So making one here. So these birds, these bugs have these spots, which makes them quite beautiful. Nice contrast. So who has seen this ladybug? Anyone has seen it? They sit on the flowers, grass, and everything. Okay, looks like Ayan has seen it. Shreya also has seen it. They are quite cute, and Shravan Krishna has seen it. Very good. They're very beautiful, cute. Veda also have seen it. How about Amilta? Okay. Okay, looks like Amilta has also seen it. Okay, so I'm going to make one more here actually. Okay, so this is cool. Almost we are done with this. So making the legs are quite easy. One leg ends here. See, one leg ends here. We're going to make this line and one more line. Okay, and the one other leg goes in the other side. And I'm going to make one leg here. This is a bigger one. This is a bigger one. And it's going to come like this, then like this. This is bigger. Okay, so one other leg goes to the other side. And so I'm going to make one other leg like this. This, and this. One more like this. So that's all. Okay, that's all. So the background, we are going to set it now. Okay, so I applied some white here for the eye. So I'm going to scrap it away, the black which I applied over that. So you start seeing that white. Look at this. So that's it. So you start seeing this white. Use the pencil and make a round of it. And so I'm done with this. The petals are mostly white in color. So the first we are not going to color the petals. Maybe I might use a little bit of gray a little later. Let me add more petals now, like this, like this, like this. So I added few more lines with the pencil lines like this. So till here we have the petals. And for the background, I'm going to use this is my light green I have. Then I have a dark green. Okay. Then I have blue. So I will use light blue. Then I'll use a dark blue. So all these colors I'm going to use. Maybe I'll use a violet also. So these are all the colors I'll do for the background. The first I'll apply the colors for the background. Then I'll use both the earbud as well as the tissue paper to blend them and make it more beautiful. So close to the flower, I'm going to use this light green. So this is the major task. So I'm going to I'm starting with this light green. Okay, so which I'm around the petals of the flower I'm working on now. So when you fill first, it won't fill evenly. So you have to use the tissue paper or earbud to make it even. Okay, so here between these petals, I'm filling one. Here also I'll do. If you want to experiment, you can go on and use other colors also. So this is I'm using these green color mostly in nature. This is how it is. So and when you apply these colors around this black thing, so you have to be very careful. Slowly do it. Probably this darker thing you can do later in the end. But I want to give you the feel of the ladybug. So we have done it. We did it now itself. Okay, so this much for the light green. So slowly I'm going to increase the depth or make it more darker. So this is darker green I'm applying as the next layer. Okay, so I'm good. So we have to see your artworks also. Many of you have sent very beautiful artworks for the topic dream, my dream. I liked all your dreams. Somebody wanted to help poor, somebody wanted to fly. So after this, I'll be showing all your works. Okay, so I'm just making this one the darker green I did. This light green, I'm going to apply over this dark green so that the blending is quite easy. Okay. So in the top, I'm going to apply light blue, a layer of light blue. I'm applying a layer of this light blue. So two colors I'll be applying. So the layer of light blue applied. Then the next we have this dark green. So a bit of dark green also I'll apply over this blue. So it is quite easy to blend. Okay, maybe I can apply dark blue or I can go with, okay, so let me go on with some dark blue. So leave a small space in the top for this violet color. So this is going to make it quite interesting. So that's it. So you have to apply these colors. So slowly we made it like this. So this light blue I'm going to apply over this. So apply all these colors nicely. Enjoy applying all this. And blending them is very easy. Okay. How do you do it? So the closer, I mean, the close to the flower and this ladybug, I'm going to use the earbud. But for the larger area, I can use, you can go on, you can use with the earbud, but that's going to take some time. So there is other way that you can use tissue paper. So tissue paper, how do you use the tissue paper? So I take two tissue papers, keeping it one over the other. I'm going to fold it. Number of folds I'm going to make it some 3 or 4 folds. Um, so in the end, I'm going to hold it like this. Hold it like this. So I use two tissue papers and okay, I'm holding it like this. Then I'm going to run over this. I'll start from the light color, then go to the darker color. These colors will come around. Okay, colors might mix. Do not worry about it. Do not worry about it. So I'm going to start with this. Be careful not to disturb the flower and the ladybug. So I'm just doing it here. So this, what does it do? This makes it quite uniform. I do not do very close to the thing because I want to use earbud for the area very close to the flower and petals and the ladybug. So this area I have used this. But for the area on the top, for the larger area, I'm going to use this tissue paper and blend it. So that's going to nicely blend it. The colors might move. Do not worry about it. And this is going to do a good job. So once I do it, it's going to be, so this area I have not done, this area I've done it. So this is quite uniform and beautiful. So let me do here also. So using this tissue paper requires good energy. You can ask take help from your parents. You have to press it a little hard. Okay, I've done this. Whew. So happy with this. happy with this. So go on, do it, take your time. So this, what do we do with the flowers? The petals. Petals are white, so I'm leaving it white. But so I'm going to do one thing. I'm going to, so a little bit of shade I want to do. So for that, I wanted to use gray color, gray, and some white also. So in each petal, one side, I'm going to use this gray color. So which side? So there is a light here, and so maybe the right side I can think of using this right side. Um, so I'll do like this. So the one side of the petal, so I'm just applying some gray. You don't have to press hard. You can use light gray. Apply lightly. Apply light. This gray. Um, some here also I'm doing it. Um, so after applying this gray, I'll run white over it. So the white, I'm going to use white as a blender here actually. That's going to make some nice blending. So a little bit gray applied like this. Okay, so I'll apply here also, a little bit gray applied. Now I'm going to use this white as a blender. So apply this white over that. That is going to make it quite even and make it very nice. So that gray will become smooth and that will be very nice. So here I'm using white for blending it, white color for blending it, using white over gray. So we are able to, it's a white petal, but still we are able to give some nice depth and so this area I want to make it a little more darker. Maybe I'll use my light brown and make it like this. Make this area a little darker. So I just want to leave it like this. Okay, so you can further take time and can lead. You can. Where is my dark? Okay, some I'm going to touch with the dark brown also a little bit in this. Some line I'm making it. So this is how we create this nice depth. One last thing I'm going to do is make these antennas. Make these antennas. Antennas, these edges I'm defining with the pencil so that they are very sharp now. Okay. You can always use the earbud in the edges. If the edges are white, you can use it. So blend it so that the paper white disappears. Okay, so such nice techniques are there with oil pastels. The scrapping technique and blending techniques are too good with oil pastels, and the colors are quite very good. So that's why we have chosen to play with the oil pastels today. Okay, some other day, maybe the next time. So we'll do some watercolor or something else of your choice. Um, so use the pencil to make the sign. So it is today's 28. Where is my bird? Okay. Okay, so hope you have done it, and if you have finished, you can show it to me. Um, so I have a habit of adding my lovely bird, but that is going to be a miniature today. This bird, I call it as a cuckoo bird. So I'm just placing it here, a simple bird sitting here and looking at it's quite smaller than the ladybug itself. I'm just drawing this I call it as a cuckoo bird. So almost this bird is present in most of my artworks. So I'm done with this. So when you remove this masking tape, so keep it very close to the paper, and gently remove it. Keep it very close to the paper. Do not pull it off. Just keep it very close to the paper and gently remove it. Gently remove it. And those who are yet still filling the background, take your time and fill it slowly. So when you remove it, your artwork is going to look quite beautiful. So that's why I suggested using the masking tape. So fixing the paper and the boundaries, you don't have to take care. This masking tape naturally takes care of the boundaries. So right. Okay, so you can show your works now. Those who have finished. Um, so Beryl is showing it. Then after that, quickly I'll see your works. Then already you have sent your works that I'm going to see. Okay. Beryl is showing. Beryl, you can show it. Show it. Okay. So ladybug is very cute. There's a lot of red in the bottom also. Sky is also looking good. Okay. Good work. So I'm going to see from Veda. Okay. So Veda also has made. Still is in work in progress. Already looks very beautiful.
Can I start doing again more?
Okay, so I'm going to see from Ahana. Ahana. Okay, this is very cute. I see those green also looking very beautiful. In the top, you can make it a little more darker, so that's more beautiful. Okay. So Ayan Ananya, I'm going to see Ayan from Ananya. Okay, very beautiful, beautiful work. Very nice use of the black, and Ayan also very good. The entire format here changed it to the vertical format, so I like that also. Very very beautiful. Okay, Devesh, I'm going to see from Devesh. Okay, it's a nice ladybug. I see the bird also, little bird also you've added. I like that. Good work. And Ivana and Joanna. Who is this? Okay, this is the Shining. Very good. Is it Ivana? Joanna. Wow. Okay, Joanna. Okay, the rainbow girl. Joanna. It's quite beautiful. Joanna. Very good work. Uh, so, so I'm going to see from uh, Emmanuel's Idria. Okay. So this is very nice. Very nice. The background is very nice. The ladybug is looking very beautiful. Good work. Good work. So Neha, I'm going to see from Neha. Okay.
Uncle, actually, it's made by Netra.
Netra. Okay, okay. Netra. Netra, very, very good. Nice background colors and petals are good. Okay, so hope your flying dreams come true. This also good. This also good. Very well defined. Beautiful ladybird. Colorful. Superb. Okay. So Akshara Mohan. I'm going to see from Akshara. Akshara Mohan. It's very nice. Very nice. The ladybug is beautiful. The petals are, and the background also very nice. Beautiful one. Beautiful. Keep doing. Keep up your good work. Advait. I'm going to see from Advait. So very nice. Very nice. The designs over the bird is good. Petals are good. Very, very good. Can be more colorful in the background. Okay. Okay. So anyone else yet to show? Here. Anyone yet to show? I'm going to see the Disha. It's very colorful. I love it. Very, very colorful and beautiful color in the background also. Beautiful. Love it. Fantastic. Okay. Shreya. Shreya. Okay, there are two works. Shreya, they're very beautiful. Nice. Ladybug. The petals are good. Background is good. Okay. Shreya and Shravan Krishna. Very good work. Both are almost similar. They're looking very good. Okay. So this one, Veda is still doing it. Taking yes. So parents have to help for the background. It's very tough for the kids to do. I like the way she has added the pink for the flower petals, which is very unique. We have all done white, but she has done pink, which is very beautiful. Okay, so nice. We have seen from all now. Now I want to show your dream works. So many of you have sent your works for the title Dream. One by one. Okay. Let's get started. Very good. This is what I'm seeing. This is Ahana B4F. So few others. I'll see your the ladybug little later. Now we are going to quickly see because time is up, and we are going to see all your submissions for the topic My Dream. So this one is from, see the name. Just a minute. So I'm trying to find out. I'm trying to show it. This is from Ahana B24F. It's very beautiful. Black and white itself. She has done it. My heart dreams to walk in the woods and listen to the magic whispers of the old tree. So in the tree, someone is sitting and looks very good. Very good. This is from Ahana B24F. And next work. This is from Akil. Akil, my son, from B212A. So what he has written is, I dream of painting and then I paint my dream. This is a famous dialogue, famous statement from Vincent Van Gogh. So he has done this watercolor work. So this is looking beautiful. Congratulations to him. And this one is Akshara. Akshara B210N. So this is taste it, don't waste it. What a punch. This is very, very beautifully done. Very cute, very cute. And look at that eyes in the bin. Very beautiful. My dream is not to waste food. Wonderful. Nice thought. And this one is quite beautiful. This is Ananya B25D. Very beautiful. The very calm and beautiful. Dreamy place. She has done very beautiful. And, there is a nice. I've read this. This is very nice. This is from Aniqua B118A. So what I observed is the A series in Block 2 has done a lot of artworks. You keep observing the A series is a lot of artwork from A series. So congratulations to the A series guys. And this is Aniqua. It's very nice. Blue wind whispering, red rose, orange, dark blooming. All that she has written. In the end, what is written is an innocent smile is much more than you think. So that's what her. The next artwork.
My drawing still.
Sir, my drawing.
Okay, so just wait.
Wait பண்ண சொல்றேன்.
Okay.
Wait பண்ண சொல்லு.
This is from Ion B25B. Ion. Okay. So that rocket is very colorful
Wait
and
பண்ண சொல்றா. Wait பண்ண சொல்லு.
colorful artwork, colorful rocket.
உட்கார்ந்துக்கோ. Wait பண்ண சொல்லு.
Very beautiful work from Ion.
அவெல்லாம் பண்ணிட்டால அதே நம்ம பண்ண சொல்றோம்.
Muting all. Okay, so if you want to talk, you can unmute and talk to avoid the noise and muting it. So what is this? We are seeing this one. So we saw this rocket. Then after that, this one. This is Bhavadarani B26B. Happy Children's Day, quite unique. And I love the hairstyles and the way they are standing. And the dress also very cute. Wonderful work, Bhavadarani. And this one is from Devesh B25Q. And this rocket is roaming around. Looks like the astronaut also dancing. So it's a very pleasant one. So looking very beautiful and very clear. Good work, Devesh. So after that, I'm going to see Darunika. Okay, so this is Darunika B26B. And these are very cute kids playing around. Very nice work. So this one, and this one, Eric from B210A has sent some 3 pencil sketches. They are very beautiful, nicely done. This one, and this one. Okay, so this bird, so this is for the piece. I'm not sure if you have seen from our apartment, but this is looking very beautiful. And this also very nice. The tiger also looking very nice. Good work, Eric. So this one, this is from Ivana B24A. And again, another A series. So a little girl touching the moon. My dream, something is written, but I'm not able to read it, is to reach moon or what? Okay, reach the sky, maybe. Okay, this is very beautiful, very beautiful. And this one is Janice. And this, I see these balloons, which are looking very cute. The color gradient in the sky, which is starting from yellow, orange, and red, which is very beautiful, very beautiful. And this one is from Joanna. So what not, everything is there, from the rainbow to the tunnel and to the kind of lollipop and nice park. So she has brought in everything, and I like the color for the sky, all the pink and magenta she has used. It's quite dreamy. It's wonderful work for the dream. Congratulations, Joanna. And this one should be from Neha B29A. My dream is to visit a floating island. Okay, Neha, when you visit, please take me also. This is very cute and beautiful, very dreamy, very, very dreamy to see the floating island. And this is Netra. Netra also like to fly. My dream is to what is it? Escape. Explore to the outer space. So this is very beautiful. So all the best. So say hi to aliens if you see them. Okay. Very beautiful, beautiful work. And next, so this one is very colorful, done by Sanjit B27F. Very colorful. The cosmic thing and the cosmonaut, all that I'm able to see it. Very beautiful, nicely done. And this one is by Vidisha Airtel. And so what she says, don't bin it, donate it. My dream is to help poor people. So this is very, very nice. Cloth and food she is donating. Good thoughts. Okay, excellent. So very happy seeing all your works. So keep up your creative work and enjoy your day. Anyone else is yet to show your works of it's a beetle?
Sir, shall I show my drawing?
Yeah, quickly you can show this ladybug if you have done. Advait is trying to show. Okay, this is all vehicles. So many vehicles he has done. Very nice, Advait. It is all your dream. Okay, so many vehicles he has done. Excellent. I'm very happy seeing all this. Lot of looks like okay, big train, truck, and everything you have. Very nice, very nice. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to see from Bhavatarani. This petal she has used dark blue, which is very nice. the ladybug also looking very good. Beautiful work. I want to see from Beryl. She has looks like she has completed. Okay, the ladybug is looking very cute and beautiful. Okay, so she has done some other works also. This also looks very cute. So good work, congratulations. Okay, happy to see all your works. So you take a break. Session starts by 4:30. Now I'm going to see from who is this? So Ivana, Janice, Ivana. I think we have seen. Yeah, Janice, Ivana, all. Hand over to Glory.
Sir.
Glory, if you have to say, you can say, then invite them to the next.
Yeah, I am here only. Hi, kids. I think you enjoyed the session, yeah? Shall we give a big round of applause for Uncle? Huh? The session was very nice and you enjoyed with colors, isn't it? Yeah. Shall we give? Yeah, super. And say thank you for Uncle. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you so much, Monica, for accepting our request. Yeah. Kids, whether the celebration is over now?
Thank you, Uncle.
Kids, whether the celebration is over now? No.
No.
Wait, another function, great function is there in Zoom. Shall we all join by 4:30? Are you ready for that? So what is the mantra? What is the mantra I taught you? Are you ready? Oh, yes. Yeah, super. Very good. So we shall meet again by 4:30. Okay.
Okay, bye.
Yeah. Thank you all.
Bhavdarani, you can show your work. Bhavdarani was showing. Bhavdarani, you can show your work. Very beautiful. Okay, very beautiful. So fantastic. Okay. Janice is Janice என்ன சொல்றாங்க? Janice உங்க work பார்த்து.
Sir, can you see this?
Okay, coming here. Show it. Coming here. Okay, very nice. இது பார்த்துட்டமே. Oh, ஜுவானோட work. Nice. Very beautiful. Okay.
Janice பண்ணல, இவனா லோ பண்ணேன்.
Very okay. So Bhavdarani also we have seen. So replace spotlight. Okay. See you all. Enjoy your further works. Bye now. Take care. Bye. See you later some other time. Have a good day.
Thank you, Master. Bye.